Modern industry relies on variable speed drives. In teaching, however, a key question often arises. How can these complex relationships be conveyed in a way that learners truly understand and can apply with confidence? Modern frequency converters enable variable speed operation of standard three-phase motors and form the foundation of countless industrial applications. Their success is based on the robustness and widespread use of these motors, combined with the ability to control processes precisely, efficiently, and automatically. At the same time, frequency converters offer enormous potential for energy savings, modern process automation, and extending the service life of motors and mechanical components thanks to full control of current and voltage at all times. This is exactly where LN's training system for industrial drive technology comes into play. It is a complete hands-on training solution for applied power electronics featuring an industrial Siemens G120 frequency converter designed for realistic, safe, and practice-oriented teaching. Learners do not work with simplified models. Instead, they implement a real industrial project, for example, a conveyor belt drive, using the right hardware and targeted parameterization of the frequency converter. Parameterization is carried out exactly as it is in industrial practice, either directly via the device's control unit or software-based in the TIA portal, where all relevant parameters can be set, adjusted, and optimized step by step. The impact on teaching becomes immediately clear. Every change directly affects motor behavior, and starting characteristics, acceleration, and torque are not just discussed in theory, but experienced in real operation. This is made possible by an integrated machine test system included in the setup, which reproduces industrial loads realistically and dynamically over time, and records real measurement data instead of relying on simulated values. As a result, learners analyze the effects of individual parameters under real load conditions, observe real measurements, draw conclusions, and fine-tune settings in a structured, hands-on process. As the project progresses, the focus shifts to optimizing system operation, for example, through the integration of a braking chopper and targeted parameter adjustments based on observations under real operating conditions. From a technical perspective, the system also offers maximum practical relevance. Industrial vector frequency converters with an input voltage between 200 and 480 volts can be used to realistically represent various industrial scenarios. The hardware is complemented by RXLea, LN's digital learning environment. Interactive learning modules, animations, exercises, and integrated assessments support instructors during teaching and provide learners with clear, structured guidance. This unique combination of real industrial hardware and digital learning makes the difference, as learners parameterize, measure, observe, and optimize independently, developing a genuine understanding of industrial drive technology. This is real experience learning, hands-on, safe, and consistently aligned with real industrial practice. Would you like to teach industrial drive technology in a practical and safe way? Then talk to us. LN supports you in bringing real industrial practice into your lab.